Braden's, turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. Today I'm here with my niece and my nephew. Niece? Nephew, where are you? Oh, he's down there playing. And we are going to show you how to make an easy DIY party backdrop. Quiet on set. Is that your phone?
Yeah.
Turn it. Quiet on the set. Here are the items you need for the project. You can get a photo backdrop, which I have here from Amazon, and they're fairly inexpensive, or you can get a wooden dowel and you can hang it with some rope. You need some cardstock in a variety of colors. You need some yarn. You need some glue sticks. You need some scissors. Instead of scissors, if you want to get perfect cuts on your cardstock, you can also use one of these little paper slicers.
Now you're good to go.
Now you're good to go. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is cut the paper strips. So I'm gonna let the kids pick the colors. And what colors do you think your dad would like? Because this is going to be for his 40th birthday.
It's like
some blue.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like a light and a dark blue, you mean?
We can do blue. Do you want to do any other colors, any accent colors?
Dark green.
The dark green would be good to go with the yarn.
Okay, we can do some green.
We'll do blue, dark green, and
like some white.
We could add some white in there. That's kind of a pretty white with some different colors.
Like some confetti white?
Yeah. All right, so we picked blue, green, and white for this project. So now we're going to cut the paper into 1-inch strips. You can measure these strips by hand, or if you have the automatic paper cutter, you can just use the ruler on that and cut out a whole bunch of strips in the width of 1 inch.
Or you can like use your teeth with it, but you don't have to have like very precise, you know,
If you want to, you say what?
If you want to rip it, you'd have to be very precise though.
You could rip it.
Like very gentle,
precise. All right, Connor, make a slice. Let's do it again. There we go. I think we got, that's about 1 inch. That's centimeters. Yeah, it's a perfect 1-inch strip. Good job. Let's cut a whole bunch
I got
of these.
this. I'm about to be good at this.
Be very careful with your fingers.
Okay, are you ready? Okay, so we just like move this thing. Okay, Connor, you have to pull it this way. Okay, right there. Hold on. Hold on. It's not even. Okay. Yes. Oh yes. Very relaxing. It has to be perfect.
You don't have OCD, do you, Aubrey?
Oh, I most definitely do. A paper is 13 inches long.
Okay.
Mind blowing.
How many strips do we get off of the
13.
one? We got 13.
That's why it's 13 inches long.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Now?
I have to edit a lot out when I'm trying to do it because sometimes my tongue doesn't work.
Okay, so we cut out all the strips, and now we have white, light blue, dark blue, and green. So we're gonna do it lightest to darkest. So white, light blue, dark blue, and green.
So explain the process.
So I'm gonna put glue on the very tip, just like that, just like a little bit. Connor. And he is gonna take it, put it on there, and then fold it to where it makes a circle. And then you got your circle. And then we're gonna go with light blue next, since that's our next lightest color. Put the glue on the top, just like that.
Oh, good job, Connor.
Dark blue. So now we're gonna keep doing this until we have the whole thing filled up or how much you want it on there.
I love your girls' creativity. You're doing so good. I love it.
You failed.
So let's give a tip to everybody. Probably a good tip is hang on to it for a few seconds.
Like hold it with some pressure on it.
Because now they're all falling down. That's what we want to give the tip of, just to hang on to it maybe for a few seconds. That way they stay on. No, these are all doing pretty good. I think you just put a smaller amount of glue on there and just kind of hang on to it for a few seconds, and then that way it doesn't pop off.
Okay.
You could also do this with tape. It won't quite look as pretty.
Easier.
Yeah, it would probably be easier, but it won't look as pretty. So we finished the chain part of the project, and I found some rolls of tulle in coordinating colors. So we're going to add some tulle as well as some of the yarn. You ready to do that? All right, so to do this, we're going to measure out the length of the backdrop, and then for fullness, probably layer these two pieces of tulle together. So lay that on here. Yeah. The glitter kind is a little bit sticky, but it's a nice firmness. Okay, I'll cut my end. Okay. And cut yours. And then we're just gonna add this, just tie it around the wooden dowel in a knot like that, and then just let it hang freely. Nice. Let's do some more. This glitter tool gets glittered everywhere. Ta-da! We have the background with the tulle and the chain. Let's experiment and see what the yarn looks like. Connor may recognize this yarn because this is the same yarn that I used to create a yarn ball full of money for his birthday. We put the money inside of here and then made a yarn ball, and he had to unravel it to be able to get all the money out. That was fun. So we've got some, that would add a little bit of something different to it.
Yeah.
Do you think we should do it?
Yeah.
All right, let's cut here, and then we'll measure all the other ones out by this one.
Okay.
I'm sure your dad will like this because his favorite song is, what is it? I'm blue, blah, blah, dee, da, da, da. So this is very blue. You'll listen up. Here's a story about a little guy that lives in a blue world, and all day and all night. And ta-da! It's done! We loved making this project because we got to make it our own, and the kids got to customize it to where it is made specifically for their dad and his favorite colors. You can make this in just all paper chains if you wanted, which they did take a while to make, so be prepared that that'll take a while to make. You can make one in all tulle, you can make one in all yarn, you could even make one with a whole bunch of ribbon. The possibilities with this project are completely endless and fun. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, do so now. If you have any questions or comments about this video, just leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back with you as soon as I get a chance. Thank you for watching Carolyn Braden's Turning the Ordinary into the Extraordinary, and now I have a very cool PSA from my nephew Connor.
Wear your seatbelts, kids.
Thanks for watching. Bye! Yay! Do party time, party time. Now we're gonna have a party, a party. Woo woo!
Visit Carolyn'sBloomingCreations.com